Alright guys, check this out. The Keychron Q1 Pro Wireless. This thing is a beast. I've been using it for a while now, and let me tell you, it's seriously impressive. First off, full metal construction. We're talking CNC machined, anodized aluminum. This thing feels premium and built to last. No flimsy plastic here, folks. It has a real heft to it, which I personally love. And the typing experience? Fantastic. It uses a double gasket design, which basically means it's super quiet and has a really satisfying thok. Plus, it comes with pre-lubed Keychron K Pro brown switches. These are tactile, so you get a nice bump when you press a key, but they're not clicky, which is great for those who don't want to annoy everyone around them. And if you're not a fan of browns, guess what? It's hot swappable. You can easily pop in any 3-pin or 5-pin MX-style switches you want. No soldering required. Super convenient. Now let's talk wireless. This bad boy uses Bluetooth 5.1, and it's rock solid. I've had zero connection issues. You can connect it to up to 3 devices, which is perfect for switching between your computer, tablet, and phone. And the battery life is insane. We're talking up to 100 hours. I barely had to charge this thing. Of course, you can also use it wired with USB-C if you prefer. But wait, there's more! The Q1 Pro is fully programmable with QMK and VIA. This means you can customize literally every key. You can create macros, shortcuts, change the layout, whatever you want. It's incredibly powerful and opens up a whole world of customization options. And it works on Mac, Windows, and Linux. The keycaps are also worth mentioning. They're PBT, which is super durable and resistant to shine. They also have a nice sculpted profile that feels great under your fingers. And the RGB lighting? It's bright, vibrant, and fully customizable. You can choose from a ton of different effects and colors. Honestly, there's not much I don't like about this keyboard. If I'm being nitpicky, I guess I could say it's a bit on the heavier side, but that's also a testament to its build quality. And the price might be a little higher than some other keyboards out there, but you definitely get what you pay for. Overall, the Keychron Q1 Pro Wireless is an absolute winner. It's well built, sounds amazing, and offers a ton of customization options. If you're looking for a premium 75% wireless mechanical keyboard, this is definitely one to check out. Highly recommend.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.